Please notice that in this case, the base in the numerator is -3. Why? Because I have parentheses. Exponent is going to affect the sign and is going to affect the number. The same story is in the denominator because I have parentheses, okay? Now, so my base will stay the same. Anytime I divide the numbers with the same base, I have to keep the base and subtract the exponents of 4 minus 5. Okay? Keep the base. And 4 minus 5 is -1. Most of the time in mathematics, we're supposed to convert negative exponents to positive. Now we have to apply this rule. We have to find the reciprocal of -3 and change negative sign of my exponent to positive. So I'm going to have 1 over -3 to power 1. Can also include the parentheses. Now, anything raised to power 1 is the same thing. Okay, so I can say this is equivalent to 1 over -3. Now, many students are confused. What are they supposed to write as a final answer? Remember, anytime we do not have sign, there is always positive sign. Okay? Fraction bar stands for the division. So in this case, I have positive divided by negative is negative. So that's why my whole answer is going to be negative. And I just copy 1 over 3. So this is the solution to my problem. Let's take a look at this example. My base is x plus 1. X plus 1. I have the same base, so base stays the same. Next, I have to subtract the exponents. I have 3 minus 6. I'm going to have x plus 1, and 3 minus 6 is -3. Again, I have negative exponent. We're supposed to convert negative exponent to positive by writing the reciprocal of it and change the negative sign to positive. So I'm going to have x plus 1 to the 3rd power. Okay, let's take a look at this example. Okay, I have -1 and subtract the exponent. I have 6 minus 8. I'm going to have -1. 6 minus 8 is -2. Again, anytime I have negative exponent, I'm supposed to convert this to positive by writing the reciprocal of this number and change the negative sign to positive. Of course, exponent to the 2nd power, right? Now, I have 1 over any number raised to the even power is going to give me always positive answer, okay? I mean positive number or positive answer in terms of the variables, okay? So in this case, -1 times -1 gives me 1. 1 divided by 1 is equal 1. This is the solution to my problem.